guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to customize, how to edit the WordPress dashboard menus. So imagine the following scenario. We would like to change the order of the items right here, to add new items, to add shortcuts. So how to customize this dashboard? It's all possible and for free, and this is what I'm gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. So let's get this started. First thing, go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, and hover a mouse over plugins. Okay, normally it's between appearance and users, and on plugins we're gonna hit the submenu add new plugin. Once right here, review the upper right corner of our screen. Next to search plugins, there is an empty field. You're gonna click right here and admin menu editor, just like this, admin menu editor. And here is the guide we are looking for by James. Click on install now. Then click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you review, there is a admin menu editor. We have two options, deactivate and settings. We're gonna click on settings, okay? You also can access plugin settings from WordPress dashboard, left sidebar of menus, settings, and new submenu next to privacy calling menu editor. And right here, what you can do? First thing, we can move the options, okay? So imagine that I would like to get the dashboard icon that is first on my list below the WordPress posts, just like this. Change, hit save change. Now, as you can see, the dashboard link is now between posts and media, just like this. But we also can add new items to this menu. There is an option right here called new menu. Click. You can type the menu name, any name that you want. You can use a custom URL in the case that you need and type the link right here, or you can use a submenu. For example, you would like to have the permalinks shortcut. Click right here. You can type this change from custom menu 1 to permalinks, for example. So here is my permalinks, nothing else to do. Click on save change, and now between Enzo and dashboard there is custom menu 1 that if I click, it's gonna move to my WordPress permalink settings, okay? Simple and easy. And how to delete a WordPress menu? Click on it, select on it, you're gonna be able to see this, and click into this icon right here, delete menu. Set OK, and the menu is no longer available. There is also other options, sort, hide without preventing access, a separator, just like this. You can apply a separator between the menus. You can cut, copy, paste, add new menus, and add separators. There is extra options right here that you can explain for creating extra menus, but by default the plugin works great. You can undo your change in the case that you need and load the full menu to make it back as it was before your customizations, okay? Simple, easy, and works for free without coding. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WP Bakery, or Gutenberg block editor. And it's a totally free WordPress plugin. In addition, we have the best free WordPress theme that gives you pre-built websites. That is our Enzo WordPress theme. Also can be downloaded for free. In addition, in the case that I would like to submit your blog or to publish some content on some other blogs or to connect with a growing blogging community, to trash, for marketing, for collaboration, go to growth with 3ws.net and review the platform. You can submit and find sites for free. Talking about free things, we have the sites.gallery website, a place where we can promote your site, your apps, your games, your landing pages, your stores, and all it's free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, options, icons, images, and many more content for you to create the site of our dreams and to use internet on your site's favor. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!